All right, guys, this is Emmett Stallworth, the Alpha Builder. Guys, like, share, subscribe. If you getting anything out of these videos, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell button so that each time I do one of these videos, it pops up on YouTube. But guys, question I have today is, well, it's not a question, it's a statement. Guys, either you have a good customer service when you're dealing with custom builders. You either have good customer service or you get the job done on time in code, but you can't do them both. Let's get into it. All right, guys, this video here was inspired when my customer had a customer to reach out to me, and this customer was typically, guys, when I'm dealing with a couple, if I'm dealing with a married couple, there's only one person I engage with. I don't engage with both of them. I have one channel of communication, and they can talk about it within, upon themselves, but me, I typically pick the man, um, and I engage with that guy. Because it's probably not a good idea, me as the builder, engage with the wife all the time. But so I picked the guy, and we're almost at the end of this project, and I all of a sudden got a text message from the wife, and when I got that text message, I didn't really know who it was. I mean, I think she actually stated something about this is such and such, but they were just verifying my phone number, or phone, my phone number. And so I called back to see who it was. But prior to me calling her back, I just got finished dealing with Home Depot, and it wasn't good. And when I called her, um, I thought she was Home Depot. So you can see how this right here goes. So I say that to say this, and I brought this up just to talk about this right here. Builders, people who get things done, guys, a lot of people say I'm a butthole. I'm hard to deal with. I'm very difficult to deal with. I'm very indifferent in most cases. Um, I have a very low tolerance. And guys, I just have a very low tolerance for nonsense. And as a builder and dealing with people every day, all day, you deal with a lot of different subcontractors and suppliers of people who are making up excuses about why they can't do this, that, and the other. And as a builder, you got to get it done. And sometimes the way you may come off on people is not that good, but you're getting things done on the background. So this is why I say that. And here's the thing. It's very difficult. Homeowners, I want you guys to understand this right here. It's very difficult for me to handle your build job. And I'm doing everything I can to get this thing done, to get you in your house, to get it code compliant. I'm not trying to make you happy, because happiness comes from within. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get it done on time. I'm trying to get it code compliant. I'm trying to, you know, I'm trying to be as efficient as possible. And I'm trying to get it done within budget. Make sure you don't go over budget on things. So, you know, the way I engage with people, I can't turn this on. Just being that person that's making sure things get done, and going back and forth with some of these subcontractors and suppliers, to shift that on and off is very difficult if you're a builder. Guys, I have a hard time shifting that thing off when I go home and see my family. I'm still in high intense mode, just dealing with these subcontractors and suppliers. Somebody didn't do something today. I had to go get on them and, hey, you guys need to do this right here. I need to hold your payback. It's always something. And I'll be honest with you, man, and every time I hear something, guys, every time somebody calls me, as a builder, and this is how we're wired, this is how we're programmed. Every time someone calls me a subcontractor or a supplier, it's always, in most cases, to extract more money from me. And at the end of the day, my job is to make sure I have money left over, because the money that's left over is my profit. So I have to stay alive. This is what we deal with all day. So homeowners, if you mess around and you call a builder and you didn't get good customer service like Chick-fil-A or Publix or somebody like that, and you talking to the builder, the licensed contractor, that's the designated qualified representative if you're in Alabama for that particular company, you need to have some understanding. You need to understand that, I'm trying to get you done. I'm trying to get you done on time, in budget. And here's another thing, guys. The sooner I get that house done, I have other things in my pipeline. The more we carry this project on, see, a lot of people think we just, as builders, we don't mind just sitting on, keeping the project going on and on. That's for builders who run out of money. A builder that run out of money, he wants to prolong it. But a builder who quoted it right and got everything, and it's moving and able to pay the subcontractors, etc. And everything is good as far as code compliant and all those things. He's going to get that thing done so he can get to the next job. That's the name of the game. Or free up my mind so I can focus on getting another job or doing another job or quoting another job. I can't rest until I get one job complete. So yeah, man. It wasn't a good communication. And when I realized who I was talking to, I had to kind of tone back and say, hey, my bad. And then the husband called, so that didn't go well initially until I explained to him what happened. But homeowners and people got to understand that, when you're dealing with a custom builder, customer service is one thing that people who get things done is going to be lacking in most cases, not all. You might, and this is why, guys, I'm actually trying to train a couple of guys right now to replace me. That way I don't be as accessible to homeowners. Most builders I know don't even, most licensed builders, they have a superintendent that engages with the homeowners. They don't even engage directly with homeowners. They're in the background. They especially if it's a, production builder, they're in the background. You can't even access those guys. So as a builder, I have to be less accessible. I have to have blankets and blankets of people before me to keep me from being around those homeowners, because I'll be honest with you guys, with the things that I deal with, no nonsense, and I have a very low tolerance for crap. You catch me at the wrong time, there ain't no telling what you hear or what'll come from me. So, but you got to understand, if you want a nice product, sometimes this happens. Guys, like, share, subscribe. I just wanted to put this out here. I had a homeowner, like I said, the homeowner. I know she was just she had to brace for impact, especially coming from me. But guys, tip in most cases. Now, there are a few builders out here that'll give you very good they're a very good people person, and they get things done. They have a crew, a team that gets things done. Mainly your people that do remodels. Remodels, I can see that because the remodel guy's not there that long. He's probably there. He or she is probably there maybe 2 months and they're out of there. But a new construction custom home builder, he's going to be there 6 to 7 months. It's almost like you're in a marriage. You really almost like you're married for about 2 years, because even after you build a house, so the first year when you build it, then the second year when they're going through the warranty phase. So it's like there's it's like a marriage, really, to be honest with you. And the house is the kid that you birthed into the world. So keep that in mind when you guys go out here and build houses. Once again, guys, builders should be less accessible. Like, share, subscribe. Let me know your thoughts. You guys have a good one.
And I'm trying to find a extro here. I'm switching back to my extros and intros and things like that. You guys have a good one.